The numeric value for Jesus is 74. And that's a basic layman letter count, where A is 1, and J is 10, and T is 20, and Z is 26. If you want to reverse it, J is then 17. So if J is 17 and 10, the total is 2707. The gateway, I stand on 17, and 17's in the red sun. Show me that red sun on your hat. And always stop at the red sun. Could be Red Bull. Could be that bull looking for the center. It could be Mr. America looking for the center. It could be the dartboard. Could be worth 50 points. But the red sun is number 27. 27 for red, 54 for sun, 81 total for Pluto, or 0 minus 27. Now, if I use that in weight, or if I use that in temperature, I'll come up with all kinds of other numbers. Jesus is number 74. Time is number 47. Time never stops or stands still. Power and energy, Jesus and cross. 7 and 4 and 4 and 7. Now, let's take this numerically. If we want to take it to the spirit, I like to use 1 as the spirit, the heart, the center of it all, okay? Now, I'm working on squares. So 1 and 7, hold on a second. What did I say? No, 7 and 4. 7 would equal to, bringing it to the 1 would equal to 3, and 4 would equal to 6. 36, 360 degrees, creation of the 6, which is the half-life. Do I have to prove it to you? 6 is the half-life? I got someone watching me right now. I've got a live audience in the screen. So hold on a second. There is the half-life measurement. You see the height showing me the halfway point? I don't need it to measure. This is the same thing. I don't need the center. Now what if I do this? Where is it? Like above, like below, and the angle that it's on. Now there's 3 points. Now if there's 3 points and it's this angle, what would be that angle? Would it be 666 of 90? 234 vibration, add them up. Anyways, number 7447. So we end up with 36, creating 1, 1. Now, if we want to bring it to the 4 world, before the, okay, we're going to bring it to the 1, the 4, and the 7 world. What is it? Let's just call it the world. I bring these numbers. 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. So 10 in binary code is beta. Bring it to beta, which is a split world. 1 on each side, where 1 lives in between both worlds, only living on one side. I'll draw you that design. I'm going to draw you that design. And the design is this. You have this, right? And then the other piece, right? The other piece is going to be like that. And I'm going to slip that into that. And I'm bringing life into this world. And when this comes into here, this enters here. And this will become that. And then life is connected into both worlds. That's how it's done. Now that I showed you, I have to show my spectator. Spectator, the best cook in the north of St. Jerome, living on Baywellen Street. Baywellen Street, yes. Some names in this episode may be changed to protect our customers. And so do you see what this is? This is that hat. Do you remember they always show that hat on? Oh my God. She's thinking dirty. She just fell down. She was looking for Earth. She's thinking dirty. Hey, that's it, hey? You were looking for Earth, thinking dirty? So anyways, you know, Jesus puts on that hat and it springs out in all those worlds because he comes from that world below into the top world. And yes, it looks like it looks a little bit funny. Anyways, that's number 47. So now let's bring 47 to the 4 world. 4 plus 0, 4. 7 plus 6 equals 13. 1 plus 3 is 4. 13 creates AC. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. So now we have 44. How did we get there with 7? We used number 6, so we use 0, 6. Now, let's do it another way. What is the real value of 0 if you move no positions? Since we started at 4 and want to end up at 4, 9 plus 4 equals to 13. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. We used 6 with number 7. We used 9 with number 4. 9 and 6, man's rotation. 9, rotation in birth right over here. See that? Look at that. And this is the percentage sign. 8 lives in 6 and 9. So many things compacted together to create the story. One piece of the puzzle, one piece at a time, when nothing existed other than what you saw and what you can create and what you can do with what you find. The science of evolution. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Everything's looking a little bit more orangey today. I did a little bit more work on my floor behind me over here, right? And let's give you a quick glow of this back room. There's going to be a flag in the center. I'm not sure if I'm going to build a maze or a game, but it's all amazing. Like I said once before, and I'll say it again, Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. We're going to sign out. Are you going to sign out? Say goodbye. Just to prove that I do have... What? I can't hear you.
Goodbye.
There you go.